morning, students. My name is Shanmugh, and today I'm going to teach you about combustion and fuel. It's a very simple topic which makes people a little bit confusion, and I'm going to clear that. So, combustion and fuel. What do you think by combustion for the first time you listen to it? Write down in the comments. So, let's go to the real meaning. Combustion. Combustion is a chemical reaction or chemical process of burning a substance in the presence of oxygen with fuel and heat in other condition ignition temperature to release, and this will be released in the form of heat and light, and this is also known as combustion. Types of combustion. There are three main types of combustions. There are rapid combustion, which goes super fast, spontaneous combustion, which spontaneously come, and explosion, like just for example fireworks in your house on July 4th. Rapid combustion. Rapid combustion is a combustion in which substance burns rapidly and produces heat and light with the help of external heat. For example, first for rapid combustion I need to lit a match, then keep it to the fuel. That's a rapid combustion because it takes external source of heat. So the matchstick is an external source of heat. Then if I keep to the fuel or the burning of LPG, it will make a rapid combustion. So it will rapidly flow. Spontaneous combustion. Spontaneous combustion, as I said, it spontaneously burns without and produces heat and light without any help of external heat. So, for example, phosphorus burning spontaneously at a room temperature. I don't need to lit a match and keep it on it. It spontaneously burns without any external heat. And explosion. As you know, as a given example, crackers. In combustion, in which substance burns suddenly and produce heat and light and sound. Not only heat and light, it also produces sound. And this help the help of heat and pressure. So, for example, as I said, explosion of crackers on applying heat or pressure. Flame. In the zone of the combustion of a combustible substance, a substance which vaporizes during the burning produce flames, like example kerosene and wax. So, and the substance which do not vaporize during the burning do not produce flames are coal and charcoal. For example, flame. Where do you see flame more often? On your stoves, on your candles, like that, flame. Now, types of fuels. Fuels are main three types, like matter, the matter state of fuel. So solid fuels like wood, coal, charcoal, they are very solid. So it's another type of fuel. And liquid fuels. The liquid fuels are like kerosene and petrol. They're in a liquid state. And gaseous fuels, they are in a gaseous state. For example, LPG, biogas, and hydrogen. They are still fuels. They use as fuels, and they are in gas states. So gaseous fuels. Now there's some types of good fuels which you use in everyday life. You don't cut a tree and burn it. It's bad fuel. But there are characters of good fuels which make them good fuels. So number one is readily available. So for wood, it's a bad fuel because I have to chop the tree. But if they already give it in the coal form, again I need to burn it with kerosene, like that. And it should be cheap. And also, cheap means it should be like at a low cost. And it should be is easy to store and transport. For example, LPG gases in your home. They are very easy to transport and store, and burns at a moderate rate, and doesn't produce a large amount of heat and does not leave behind any undesirable residue or substances. So, for example, if I burn plastic, they'll make something, they leave some substances or residue. So that's a bad fuel and does not cause pollution. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Peace out.